Tired of constantly searching for your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to make those worries disappear, turning lost into found in seconds. What truly sets AirTag apart is precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology on your iPhone to guide you directly to your item with incredible accuracy, a visual, haptic, and audio experience. Imagine your phone literally pointing an arrow to your misplaced item, telling you exactly how many feet away it is, even if it's under a couch cushion. Getting started couldn't be easier. With just one tap, your AirTag instantly pairs with your iPhone, ready to track whatever you attach it to. Worried about spills or a little rain? No problem. These little trackers are water and dust resistant, with an IP67 rating, built to withstand daily adventures. But the real magic? AirTag taps into Apple's massive, anonymous Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices globally can help pinpoint your item's location, even if it's miles away. Whether you frequently lose your car keys, travel with valuable luggage, or just want peace of mind for your everyday essentials, investing in an Apple AirTag 4-pack is genuinely a game changer. If you're ready to stop the endless searching and start finding, you can grab your own Apple AirTag right now by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. It's not just a tracker, it's a small investment in a less stressful, more organized life, offering unparalleled tracking capability that other Bluetooth trackers simply can't match. So, if you're looking for the best electronic tracker of 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have. Seriously, you won't regret this purchase.